Today we're exploring the Acoustic Impedance Interactive Calculator, an essential tool for engineers working with ultrasonic testing, sonar systems, and acoustic material design. This calculator solves the critical challenge of predicting how sound waves behave when they encounter different materials at interfaces. Let's examine the calculator's inputs. At the top, you'll find the Calculation Mode drop-down menu with 6 powerful options. Calculate acoustic impedance, calculate density, calculate sound velocity, calculate transmission coefficient, calculate reflection coefficient and intensity loss, and calculate impedance matching layer thickness. For our demonstration, we'll select Calculate Acoustic Impedance. The input fields vary based on your selected mode. In the impedance calculation mode, you'll see density in kilograms per cubic meter and sound velocity in meters per second. For other modes, you'll encounter fields like acoustic impedance in Pascal seconds per meter, also called rails, impedance medium 1, and impedance medium 2. Let's work through a practical example. Imagine we're analyzing ultrasonic wave propagation through aluminum. We'll enter 2700 for density, representing aluminum's density, and 6420 for sound velocity, which is the speed of sound in aluminum. After clicking Calculate, the system returns an acoustic impedance of 17,334,000 rails. This value tells us exactly how aluminum will interact with ultrasonic waves. Understanding your output is crucial. Acoustic impedance determines how much ultrasonic energy reflects versus transmits at material boundaries. Higher impedance differences between materials create stronger reflections, which is fundamental for defect detection in non-destructive testing. One critical insight: always verify your units match the calculator's requirements, as mixing unit systems is the most common source of errors in acoustic calculations. Find the link in the description below.